Hi guys, how are you? Very pleased to meet you once again. Louis Das from English EC Louis channel. Hope you are all doing fine by the grace of God. Wherever you are, whatever you do not worry. He is there to guide you, protect you, and make you happy in all your difficult situations and lead your life happily. So, therefore, with this blessings, I wish to convey my greetings to you through this video, and this is going to be an important video because this is, as far as I consider, is going to be the most important video simply because this is going to be introduction of speech sounds in English. I had already mentioned that there are 44 sounds in English, and if you had watched my previous videos, I had mentioned the minimal pairs in which I suggested in that video that I would come back and then let you know all the speech sounds in English, and this is the day and this is the video and this is the time for that. Speech sounds are very much necessary for us, especially the speakers of English. If we wish to speak in English fluently, there is no other doubt and there is no other substitution, there is no other substitute apart from learning the speech sounds correctly and then pronounce those words when we speak for the sake of the listeners to understand us clearly. Okay? Good. Now, what is this phonetics is all about? What is this phonetics? Phonetics is nothing but speech sounds, production of speech sounds, that's all. Why is it important for us, especially the speakers of English or those who would like to improve the standard of spoken English? Why is it necessary? It is necessary because the phonetics and the speech sounds help in recognizing both familiar and unfamiliar sounds. We all know that there are lakhs and lakhs of words in English, and every single word must be pronounced according to the proper stress and intonation. So, in order to do that, we have to or we must be familiar with the speech sounds in English. Not only that, phonetics or the speech sounds, they develop a kind of an autonomy in words and recognition of sounds in various words and in the places in words where the particular sound is produced. So, that is the beauty of the phonetics. So, you may take this as a kind of an introduction for this video because I thought this would be necessary for us to understand the recognition or the significance of phonetics or speech sounds in English before we actually go into the pronouncing or learning or identifying the phonetic symbols and the sounds they have in pronunciation. Okay? Now, if you look at the board, here, I have written all the 44 sounds categorizing in their three different levels, 3 different ways, 3 different pronunciation types, and I will come back to that later. Prior to that, I just want to show you all the 44 phonetic symbols and the sounds that we have in English. Just go through this chart. Just go through this. So you have all the 44 phonetic symbols, and you would know their sounds only if I pronounce them to you, which I am going to do that in a minute or two. So just go through the symbols once again. What do you see at the top of this small flashcard like chart? See, interactive phonetic chart. So that is the title given here. Interactive phonetic chart. Do you understand the term interactive? Interactive is nothing but the communication or the dialogue or the conversations that we engage with others, which means we interact something with someone or with somebody depending upon the nature of the situation. So that is what is known as interactive. Now, interactive phonetic chart, it is said because all those 44 sounds help us to interact correctly when we speak in English. That's the beauty of it. Okay, so that is the whole idea behind the study of phonetics, speech sounds. Now, let me go into the board. And I told you there are 44 sounds in English, and they are also known as IPA. IPA. And what does IPA stand for? International Phonetic Alphabet. International Phonetic Alphabet. This is not national or local, international. Why is it international? It is simply because English is spoken all over the world. That's what it is. And then there are vowel sounds, 12 of them. Dipthongs, 8 of them. Of course, 12 plus 8. Both of them are called vowel sounds and they are dipthongs. We will come back to that later. And then you have consonants, 24 sounds. So you can count, there are 44 sounds in English. Now, unless we know each one of them and the pronunciation of them, it would be difficult for us whether we are speaking in English correctly, pronouncing the words correctly. So therefore, it is a must. It is a must for every speaker of English to have a clear-cut understanding of the 44 sounds in English. Now let me go into the chart here or the vowel sounds here, and I am going to read out for you one by one and pronounce the sounds here and the examples and where does the pronunciation come in every word. Told you they are pure vowels and they are 12. There are 12 of them. See, this is the first pure vowel phonetic symbol. You may wonder what's this is written like I, and then you have written colon and you have put a bar there, and this is how every phonetic symbol must be written. When you look at this symbol, the pronunciation is not I, but it is E. See, E, the long vowel sound, E. And where does this pronunciation occur? Look at the example. Eat, eat. Actually, the stress comes here and the pronunciation takes place here, eat. So, long vowel E. Look at the second one. This is the short vowel. Of course, it looks like capital letter I, but this is not capital letter I. This is a phonetic sound which is pronounced as E. E. Short vowel. Short vowel E. This is E. This is E. Short vowel. Okay, and then look at the example. Sit. Here it is eat and here this is sit. So you can know the difference between the longer vowel and the short vowel. Look at the third one. This is again another short vowel U. U. See? U. In another video, I will teach you how to write those symbols. In another video, not in this video, but in another video, I will show you how to write the symbols and the transcription of every word. It is a must also that unless we know the transcription, where is this pronunciation take place, where does this pronunciation take place, whether it is in the initial part of the word or at the final part of the word. When we studied about minimal pairs, we dealt with that and we dealt in a very detailed manner. Vowel sounds, consonant sounds, final consonants and initial consonant sounds and all we saw that. Okay. U, put, U, short vowel. Look at the next one. Looks like U and the colon. Ooh, ooh. See? And by pronouncing this word food, you can understand the pronunciation. Where does that come here? Food. Ooh. Now, E, U, oo. See? May look like E as an English alphabet here, but this is not English alphabet E here, but the pronunciation part of it, this is see, When you look at the example, you will become very clear. Pen, pen. So where does the pronunciation come here? Pen, pen, okay. And this one here, oh. The match is over, but we have a tendency to pronounce these words as over. This is not over, but over. See? Over. 5 symbols. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vowels. Go to the next list. See? Bird, bird, bird. Look at the symbol, how is this written? How this is written here? Aw, long vowel. This is also long vowel. It's not but aw. See? Short. It's not short. It's not O. In Tamil we may have called it O, but this is not O, but A. Short. Long vowel. This is a peculiar phonetic symbol we have in English. A. Short vowel. A. It's not A, but A. Cat. Different from this one. This is a. See, look at the difference here. Pronunciation of the 3 different symbols here. Fun. Longer vowel. See, car, bar, father, farther. So many examples we can say. This is A, short vowel of this one. A. This is A. This is A. Hot. Hot. Alright? Got it, my dears? 12 pure vowels. 12 pure vowels. E, I, U, O, A, A. See? There are 12 of them pure vowels. Go to the next list of words. They are known as dipthongs. You pronounce those words as dipthongs, and there are 8 of them. When you look at the symbols here, immediately your mind would have told you, okay, there are 2 vowels written together. But the pronunciation varies. And they are known as vowel glides. 8 of them, dipthongs, in other words known as vowel glides, and there are 8 of them. Watch my mouth, how the movements of my mouth change according to the pronunciation of each diphthong. Ear. See, ear, near. A, face. Ua, tua. Oi, boy. Oh, no. Yeah. This is ear, this is ear. Hair. See? I, buy. High. Ow, now. How. Down. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very simple. 8 of them, they are known as dipthongs, vowel glides. So when you look at the examples and the way that you pronounce these words, you will come to know the 2 alphabets written together have different pronunciation when they occur in words. So 12 pure vowels, 8 diphthongs, vowel glides, put together there are 20, and the 20 of them are called vowel sounds. So there are 20 vowel sounds in English. Let's go to the consonants. 24 of them. 24 of them are there. Consonants. 24 of them. See? This may look like again English alphabets. P, B, T, D, K, G, F, V, S, Z, M, N, H, L, R, W, J and all that. No. They are consonants, of course. When we look at the 24 alphabets, when we have the 24 alphabets in English, among them we have the general attitude of understanding. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. But apart from 21 consonants, we have 3 more written together as 24 sounds, and they are consonant sounds. So look at that. Though it may look like P, but when we tell them in consonants, when we pronounce them as consonants, and it is pronounced P, P, P. Uyirmei, we may have studied in Tamil, Uyirmei, Ma, we can call it Ma. But we are concerned and we are learning the different consonant sounds now. So let's concentrate ourselves to some extent, narrowing our understanding to pronounce as Mayelth. See, P, B. So P, though it looks like, though it is P there, but the pronunciation is P, poor, poor. Now when you pronounce the word poor, P is here, but then you remember how this is pronounced here? Ua. See? Poor. So by this time we may come to a conclusion to some extent. Okay, this is how these words are pronounced, like that. Oh, now I understand. So that kind of clarity that I would like you to come out when we complete reading and recognizing all the speech sounds in English. Okay. P, B, B, ba, B. Bear, bear. See? T, ta, t. Toy, toy. D, d. Dog, dog. Da, da. D. Then this is a peculiar English consonant sound. Itchy, itchy, chi. Chair, chair, chair. J, j, j. Job, job. We know that this is familiar alphabet we have, but of course looks like K, but the pronunciation is K, K, K. G, go, G, G, K, G. My, and then now, see, and this is peculiar to English language. Like this here we have ch, j and see, sing, sing. And look at this one here. We have not gone through this list. So after this, see, f, far, v, very. This is a different symbol here. Think, thing. The. There. See, when we pronounce this word you can watch my mouth. So how does it move? See, actually the upper teeth touches the front portion of the tongue. See, there. The friction sound comes through the gap that we have through the between the upper teeth and the tongue. There. See, this we know. C, yes, z. This is z. This is different. See, sorry. See, have the difference once again. Let me pronounce the words. See, and this is again another different sound, consonant. Vision, vision. Show, zoo, see, see, and then sing, ha, ha, ma, na, nga, ha, hot, hot, la, see, learn, learn, rain, war, war, see, this is not J, actually this is cha, yeah, yes, yeah, yes, it's yes, so like that it should be pronounced. Okay, so that's all my dear, see. And of course, as I told you, in my next video I will write each and every phonetic symbol, and the example maybe one or two I will show you in this video itself, how to write the transcription and where does the pronunciation occur in every word. I will show you one or two after this explanation. So 12 pure vowels, 8 diphthongs, 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonants. Altogether they are known as International Phonetic Alphabet. International Phonetic Alphabet. So sometimes you may have found it difficult to locate the words since it is very far. So I have written each of them separately in a flashcard like. So you may just go through. This is the International Phonetic Alphabet vowels, 12 pure vowels. So you may have a close look at each one of those symbols. Okay, so they are 12 pure vowels, and this is the chart that show, flashcard that show diphthongs, 8 diphthongs. See, all right, 8 diphthongs. And look at this one, consonant sounds, 24 consonant phonetic symbols. Okay, good. So in order for us to have a close look at, I have just written them in separate charts. Now what I am going to show you, actually going to show you one or two examples explaining how these letters are pronounced or written in phonetic transcription, phonetic symbol. See, take for example eat. See, take the first example. Now how do we know that this is known as eat? Since we have learned the pronunciation of each phonetic symbol, now we must be very clear. Those who have in doubt, you are able to explain to them like this. See, for example, if you write, and this is actually eat, how will you write? Eat. Okay, eat. Even sometimes we may even cross this one here, eat. You may not need eat. See, you can write that, eat, eat. And then look at this one here, sit, sit. See, sit. And then put, slowly, put. Food, see, food, food. All right. Some of the difficult ones, not so easy ones. Okay, bird. See, bird. Sometimes the R may become a silent. Bird, bird. See, and here cat, cat. See, cat, cat. What about this one? Boy. Diphthongs, one or two diphthongs. One or two diphthongs. See, boy, boy. See, boy. Poor, consonant. See, poor. Both this one and then this one here. Where is it? poor. Okay, see. Or of course, the Britishers one pronounce poor, poor. Okay, so like that you can say job. See, for example, let me use one of these examples here. Peculiar words in English, especially pronunciation like cha and ja. See, this is che, che, che. And chair, see, che. Then you have chair, church. Okay, church. Church. R of course silent. Church. See, church. Judge. See, judge. Judge. Sometimes, okay. See, judge. J. J. So this is how the transcription goes, my dears. Of course, I have just shown you few examples only, but when we go and deal with different types of sounds and the origination of sounds from our mouth, that we have separate study for them. So when we come back to that, I will show you how to even transcribe the words in a passage also. That's a special study. Those who are going for the English literature and study one paper called Phonetics, English Phonetics, that you will come across all these technical way of pronouncing the words and all that. So I think this is more than enough for us as far as our topic is concerned. So I have introduced to you the 44 interactive phonetic chart symbols and then shown and pronounced vowel sounds, diphthong sounds, consonant sounds separately, and given the examples also, and shown one or two examples how to write those words in phonetic symbols. Okay, so as I had mentioned to you at the beginning of this video, it is a must, my dears, for us, especially the speakers of English, if we want to be perfect, if we want to be very, very perfect, we should have the correct and appropriate understanding of these 44 speech sounds. And they are all going to help us. Not only help us, it will help those who listen to us when we speak. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Watch the video fully and then enjoy looking at and observing at each and every symbol and the sound it has. You may go on, refer to many other sources and try to write your own pronunciation and try to pronounce the words correctly. Try to pronounce the words correctly. Okay guys, so it's Louis Das from English Easy Louis channel. Continue to watch my channel, subscribe it and increase the views, my dears. See you in the next video. God bless you. Thank you.